Hello students, so as you can see, I have written the questions on the board and we are going to solve these questions today. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, here I will do the solution. Okay, and nearly you have to solve 8 to 10 questions. So just I have written the 4 questions. After this, in the next part of the video, we will solve still 4 to 5 questions more. So we are going to solve today pH problem, Kc problem, that is equilibrium constant, problem related to Kw, and there is a one problem which is related to Ksp, I guess. So that problem I will solve. Okay, so see, we will solve very slowly, we need to do fast. Okay, so first how we will solve is, first I will read the question, you write down the question, or if it is visible, just now pause the video and write all the 4 questions and see the solution. If not, I will speak the question, you write down, and then we will discuss. Clear? Chalo. So here I write down solutions. See, the first question is, see here I have arranged the question from easy to tough. Okay, so first question is calculate Kc. But a Kc means what? Equilibrium constant for the reaction Cu plus 2Ag plus gives Cu plus to 2Ag, and E naught cell for that is 0.46 volt. Before going to this question, you make a one note here, and the note is for equilibrium reaction, E cell equal to 0.0 volt. E cell equal to 0.0 volt. That is the one key point you have to remember. Whenever in the question they have asked, or if they ask in the question to calculate the equilibrium constant Kc, then for equilibrium constant Kc, E cell will be 0 volt. That is the fact, and that is you have to remember. This part is clear. It can be asked in the MCQ also, that E cell will be 0 for the equilibrium reaction, and you know for standard hydrogen electrode, net cell potential is also considered arbitrarily to be 0 volt. So for standard hydrogen electrode or hydrogen cell or hydrogen half cell, the cell potential or reduction potential value is considered to be 0. Second point, today I am telling that for equilibrium reaction, or for the problem to solve Kc, or for the problem or the numerical to solve equilibrium constant Kc, or for equilibrium reaction type of numerical in electrochemistry, we have to consider E cell always 0, not E naught cell, but E cell should be considered to be 0 volt. But for the hydrogen standard hydrogen electrode, E naught cell should be considered 0. Clear? Chalo, I will start. Calculate the Kc for the reaction. So for write down the Kc, I should have a net reaction, that is anode and cathode. So as you can see here, Cu is going Cu plus to 2Ag. So here net reaction itself it has given. So when net reaction is given, so again we should not do the anodic part and cathodic part and time pass, we are not going to do. Directly we write down the Nernst equation for this. So according to Nernst equation, I am solving problem number 1. According to Nernst equation, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N. N, you can see the transfer of electron are 2. Log to the base 10, concentration of product, that is Cu plus 2 upon concentration of reactant, that is Ag plus the whole square. Ag plus the whole square. Okay, as you know, it is an equilibrium reaction. For this it will be 0 volt. E naught cell, how much they have given? E naught cell they have given 0.46 minus 0.059 upon 2 log to the base 10, and this itself it's called equilibrium constant Kc, because we know Kc value means what? Kc means what? Kc equilibrium constant means what? Equilibrium constant means concentration of reactant, concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. So this whole together itself it's called as a Kc. This whole together itself it's called as a Kc. We will solve this. So what, this whole minus portion will go that side, 0.059 upon 2 log to the base 10 Kc equal to 0.46. Now log to the base 10 Kc, this 2 it is in division, it will come in multiplication, so 0.46 multiplied by 2 divided by 0.059. So I get the answer log Kc as, but I am using calculator, you should not use it, okay? 0.46 multiplied by 2 divided by 0.059, that is 15.5932. This is log to the base 10 Kc. Now if I know Kc, it will be NT log 15.5932. How to better find the NT log? Open your NT log table, just try to open the NT log value, okay? So you can see this is NT log book, okay? You can see at your back page of your textbook, or you can take the NT log table book. See, after point I have 59, so what do? You open your NT log and you see the 59. After in NT log, after point you should see the number. In NT log, after point you should see the number. After point the number is 59. So you put your finger on the NT log and put your finger on point 59. Okay, chalo done. After point 59, where you have to go? 3. So in that point 59 line, you write down, you see the value of 3. So value of 3, it will be 3917. Now one more number is there, that is 2. In that same line you can see the mean difference 2. Mean difference 2. So in mean difference 2 you will get 2 only. So that is a difference, but here you have to add it. Mean difference should be added. So here 9193. So your answer will be 3919. This will be your answer. Now what to do? Before point, whatever the number is, that number will go in the power of 10. So here the number before point is 15. So I will write down here 10 to the power 15. And whatever the number I got, in that number after one digit you have to put the point. So your actual answer is 3.919 10 to the power 15. Write down this. So this will be your answer, 3.919 10 to the power 50. In this way you have to solve the problem. 2-3 problems I will solve for NT log, then you will understand. Okay? Yes, correct answer 3.919. A certain book they have given answer as 3.92 10 to the power 50. So let's explain once more. See how to do. First, whatever the number you got for NT log, in that you should see after the point. So after the point, the number first you should see after the point 2 digits. So 2 digits are 5 and 9. So open the NT log table. So this is your NT log table. Okay. Here the number is 0.59. So put your finger or find somewhere 0.59. See, there is a 0.59. After 0.59 you have put the finger. Then see, after 59 the number is 3. So in that 59 line you see the number 3. So in that 3 the answer is 3917. So you write down the answer 3917. Then you see after 3 the number is 2. So in that same line you see the difference of 2. So in mean difference you have to see the 2. So 2 answer is only 2. Mean difference is also 2. So that difference you should not subtract, you should add it. So I am adding the number 2. So I got that number 3919. So 3919 is your answer. Okay. Now what to do? Whatever the answer we got, in that answer you keep a point after one digit. Keep a point after one digit, and the number which is before the point in the NT log number, what you find now, the number which is before the point, that should be taken in the power form, 10 to the power form. So this is your actual answer, Kc. Write down this. Okay. Done. So this is the method to find the NT log. The 2-3 problems are there. I will show the NT log how to find it. Clear? Chalo. So next, can I go for next question? Understood now? For equilibrium, always E cell will be equal to 0. So we'll go to the second problem. See, the second problem says potential of the following cell is 1.02 volt. Means that they have given one cell, as you can see on the board, this cell they have given, and they are telling that potential of this cell is 1.02 volt. Matlab E cell they have given, so E cell equal to 1.02 volt. But they have not told standard cell potential. They have not told standard cell potential. They have just told the potential of the following cell, matlab E cell. If they would have told standard potential, then I would have written E naught cell. But in the question itself, they are saying as potential. Potential means only E cell. So here they have written the potential of the cell is 1.02 volt. Calculate the pH of HCl solution. So they ask you to find out pH, and you know better pH formula is what? Minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. That is only the pH, no? Means in short, you have to find out minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. What is the definition according to pH, according to standard 10? Negative log to the base 10 concentration of H plus ion. That is only the pH. Yes or no? So they ask you to find the pH. pH means in short, you have to find out negative log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. Chalo, this is clear. And they have given E0, Ag plus Ag equal to 0.08 volt. 0.8 volt, no? Wait a minute. They have given 0.8 volt. So E0, Ag plus less Ag equal to 0.8 volt. Okay, they have given one cell also, so I will write on that cell Pt slash H2 slash HCl. In that HCl they have given X molar. I can write down here HCl or H plus one and same. Here they have given in the molecular form, but if it have written H plus as we have learnt, so if it has written H plus also, that is also correct. HCl also, that is also correct. This X molarity is the concentration for H plus only. You have to understand that. Salt bridge Ag plus, they have given here 0.01 molar slash Ag, and these problems are important to find the pH. So please be focused here. How to solve this problem? They ask you to find the pH. pH means what? In short, pH means negative log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. If somehow I determine this concentration of H plus, I will put the log and I just do the minus and I got the pH. Is this the you are thinking? No, in this way we cannot find. See how to search this problem, how to find this problem. It's very important. This is the anodic portion, as you know, and this is the cathodic portion, as you know. First I write down the anodic reaction, cathodic reaction, and write down the Nernst equation. So at anode, hydrogen is undergoing oxidation, that is in HCl, or I can write down H plus 1 and same, no better. I write down HCl or H plus, because in HCl, H is how? H plus only, no? HCl, in HCl, H is in which form? H plus form. And what is the concentration for it? It is X molar. Clear? Chalo, for balancing I am putting here 2, I am putting here 2. Clear? Or half I will put here. 1 and same, no? I put here 2 or put here half, 1 and same. At cathode, Ag plus electron gives Ag, and there is certain concentration for Ag plus they have given, that is 0.01. Here also there is one electron, here also there is one electron, so need not to balance, just cut it. Answer you get is half H2 plus Ag plus H plus plus Ag. Clear? Ag plus how much concentration beta? 0.01. And H plus what is the concentration? X molarity. Clear? Now write down the cell potential. So see, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N. What is the number of electron transfer here? 1, as we have learned many times. Log to the base 10 concentration of product. So in product side we have H plus, concentration of reactant, and in the reactant side we have Ag plus. Now we have E cell, but we do not have E naught cell. So first target is to calculate E naught cell beta. So we know that E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Who is at the cathode side? Ag plus. So E0 Ag plus slash Ag. Who is at the anode side? Hydrogen. And you know the hydrogen cell potential is arbitrarily considered to be 0. Yes, so we are considering 0, no? That I told you. So how much Ag plus they have given? 0.8 minus 0. So nearly answer is 0.8 volt only. For what? For E0 cell. Just replace the value. E cell is how much beta? 1.02. E0 cell how much? I got 0.8 minus 0.059 log to the base 10. What is the concentration of H plus? H plus only, because it is an X polarity, no? Upon what is the concentration of Ag plus? 0.01. Okay, this will be your answer. Are you understanding or not? So write down this much, then I rub the board, then I'll go further, because there is no space, that's why. Take a screenshot. Now what you have to do is just to solve this. Written this much, take a screenshot. Sure. Now just what I will do, I will bring this minus that side, that is 0.059 log to the base 10 concentration of H plus upon concentration, upon 0.01, that is 10 to power minus 2, 1, 2 equal to 0.8 minus 1.02. Okay, now 0.059 log to the base 10 concentration of H plus upon 10 to power minus 2, and I write down here 0.8 minus 1.02. So I get the answer as minus 0.22. Minus 0.22. Now this will be divided, because this 0.059 is in the multiplication here, so I will divide with this number. So I will get the answer as log to the base 10 concentration of H plus upon 10 to the power minus 2 equal to minus 0.22 upon 0.059. So I get the answer as log to the base 10, and I will open this also. See, log A by B means log A minus log B. So 0.22 divided by 0.059 minus 3.73. Okay, it is minus 3.728, it is 3.73. Now I will solve this. Log to the base 10 concentration of H plus, this minus will come here, so minus of minus, log 10 to the base 10, 1, no? But a log 10 to the base 10 means log 10 by log 10. As you know, log 10 means what? 1. I'll get the answer as minus 3.7. Again I'll solve this. Log to the base 10 concentration of H plus 2 equal to minus 3.73. So log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. Now this plus 2 will go that side. So what will happen? Minus 2. So what I write down? 3.73, which is minus. In that this plus 2 will go that side, so it will also get minus 2. So get the answer as minus 5.73. I get the answer as minus 5.73. But I have to find what beta? pH. And pH means what? Negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion. But this is the positive log 10 log to the base 10 concentration of H plus ion. Just what I have to do? I have to just multiply minus on both the sides. So if I multiply here minus, so this will be plus. So that's it. It is a pH, no? Minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. This is nothing but what? pH only. Beta, what is the formula for pH? So pH means minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. Or I can say like this also, minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus is nothing but what? pH. So that is the same here, minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus, pH. This itself is a pH, no? So here I got the answer as log to the base 10 concentration of H plus, and I got the answer as minus 5.73. But I know the pH definition says negative log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. That's why I have multiplied both sides by minus. So here minus, but here minus minus plus. So your pH is around 5.73. Let me see, correct answer. So in this way to solve the problem of pH, take a screenshot. Understood? Just you have to apply the Nernst equation, you have to solve mathematically, and you have to derive this Nernst equation in term of minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. You remember in this way, whenever the pH problem is coming, you have to write down the Nernst equation, solve the Nernst equation, and that Nernst equation you have to derive in the form of minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. Till that you have to solve mathematically. Your mathematics should be a bit good. So say finally I derived minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus, I got some answer. But minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus itself is a pH. So directly I have write down here pH. Write down this. Clear? Next problem also is like that only, we'll solve this. Okay? Or pause the video and solve the problem number 3. First I will discuss the problem number 3, then you try to solve. I will give the answer. Then pause the video, try to solve, and then see my calculations. Done this? So take a screenshot. Chalo, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these two problems I have solved, no? So I am roughing this portion. Okay, beta. Sure. Okay, I can write down here also, no? That's why I'll get bit space. Okay, I discussed just now problem number 3. Don't worry. Now see, problem number 3 also similar problem, like as we have done the second of pH. Problem number 3 says potential of the following cell. Again they have not told standard potential, okay? They have told potential of the following cell. So potential of the following cell is 0.096 volt. So E cell equal to 0.096 volt. Calculate the pH of HCl solution. Say instead of here HCl they can say H plus also. So calculate the pH of HCl solution. But pH means what? pH only means minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. That itself you have to solve. E0 Sn means they have given here tin Sn equal to minus 0.14 volt, and certain reaction they have given, that is Sn slash Sn plus 2 H plus slash H2 Pt, and concentration they have given. Clear? And here they have given the concentration H plus. If it is given also, you should not. Now see, here they have given the H plus concentration. Yes or no? They have given here H plus concentration. Now it is a bit tricky problem. Try to solve. Okay. So solved. Shall I speak once more this problem? Potential of the following cell is 0.096 volt at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the pH of HCl solution. E0 Sn plus 2 slash Sn equal to minus 0.14 volt. Minus 0.14 volt. E0 Sn plus 2 slash Sn equal to minus 0.14 volt. Then the cell reaction is Sn slash Sn plus 2 salt bridge, H plus slash H2 slash Pt. Sn slash Sn plus 2 salt bridge, H plus slash H2 slash Pt. Below Sn plus 2 concentration is 0.05 molar. Below Sn plus 2 the concentration is 0.05 molar, and below H plus the concentration is 0.04 molar. Okay, H2 is a gas and 1 bar. Try to solve. Chalo, pause the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chalo, I hope you have solved the problem, and if you have solved correctly, your answer should be around 1.4. Your answer should be around 1.4. Clear? Your answer should be around 1.4 beta. Clear this part? If it is there, it's okay. If it is not there, see the solution. Now see, here they have given the reaction at anode. So directly I will start the reaction at anode. So at anode, Sn plus 2 electron, and Sn plus 2 is here 0.05. At cathode you can see at cathode H++ electron gives H2. Here I will write down as half. Beta, here H plus concentration they have given, that is 0.04, but they ask you to find out the pH, and in pH concentration of H plus should be always given x molar only. Anytime if they give you the pH problem, anytime if they give you pH problem, the concentration of H plus should be given x molarity only. Anytime if they give you pH problem, the H plus concentration should be always x molarity. If they have given, then also you have to consider it as x molarity. So I am considering here as x molarity. Understood this portion beta? pH na problem ma, agar pH no problem hoy તો H plus ની concentration x molarity જ આપવી જોઈએ, નથી આપેલી લઈ લેવાની, લઈ લીધી. Clear? ચલો, so here it is x molar. So I write down here net reaction. See, so your net reaction will be here 2 electrons. So I'll balance this. No, this is 2 electrons. So here 2, here also 2, and this will be half. So your net reaction will be Sn plus 2H plus gives Sn plus 2 plus H2. Sn plus 2H plus, H plus means how many molarity beta here? X molarity, and Sn plus 2 means 0.05 molarity. Clear? Now E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N, and how much transfer is there? N equal to 2. You can see no here 2 electron by 2 log to the base 10 concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. Clear? Chalo, now first we will find out the E naught cell, because we have E cell but we don't have E naught cell. Let here, that is E cathode minus E anode. On cathode side I have hydrogen, on anode side I have Sn, that is minus 0.14. So answer will be 0.14 volt. That is 0.14 minus 0.059 by 2 log to the base 10 0.05 upon concentration of H plus the whole square. This whole portion will come here 0.059 by 2 log to the base 10 0.05 upon concentration of H plus equal to, this will come here, so 0.14 minus 0.096. okay, clear? So again I'll get here answer as 0.14 minus 0.096. I get answer 0.044. So I will multiply by 2 and divide by 0.059. Multiply by 2 divided by 0.059. 1.4915. That is log to the base 10 0.05 upon H plus the whole square. Open this. So log to the base 10 0.05 minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus the whole square 1.4915. Clear? So 0.05 you have to find the log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 minus 1 divided by 0.0000 70, 27 minus 1.30095 minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus the whole square means minus 2 log to the base 10 concentration of H plus equal to 1.4915. Now I'll keep this as it is, minus 2 log to the base 10 concentration of H plus equal to 1.4915 plus I'll do 1.30095. 1.4915 plus 1.30095. 2.79 245. So minus I'll keep it as it is here, H plus, and I will divide by this 2. So divided by 2, 1.396225. 6225. Minus log to the base 10 itself is called as a pH. So 1.4. This will be the answer. Okay. This calculation is only a bit hectic. If you practice, you will get the answer. Write down this. So this will be your answer of pH. Done? Are you getting my point or feeling bored? Clear? So again I go for next question. Last question. Okay, that is also a bit tricky, huh? Question number 4 says, I'll write down here again, potential, or I'll read, you'll understand, then I'll rub this portion also. Potential of the cell is 0.53 volt, means they have not given standard cell potential, just they have given the cell potential. So E cell equal to 0.53 volt. Then they ask you to calculate Kw, and you know Kw means what beta? Concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. Ionic product of water, equilibrium. They have given certain question also, P2 slash H2 slash KOH salt bridge, HCl salt bridge H2 slash PT. Here they have given 1 bar KOH concentration, they have given 0.002, HCl concentration 0.005. See here this H2 1 bar I am not writing, if you can write down means write down. Now see, one thing more I can say that, see, instead you see anodic portion beta here, everyone on the board. In anodic portion, after H2 it should give H plus. See, after, see here you can see at cathodic portion, after H plus they have given H2, correct, but after here H2 they should give H plus, but they have given OH minus concentration. So that's what the issue. In that way only you can find out the Kw. How? See, we'll see at anode. At anode, first we'll see at anode. At anode beta, at anode, this hydrogen should undergo oxidation, so it will guarantee form H plus only. It cannot form OH minus plus electron. I can add on here half. Does we have H plus concentration at anodic part? Does we have H plus concentration at anodic part? H plus concentration, H plus નું એનોડ ના H plus નું concentration એનોડ માં છે નથી, કેમ કે અહીંયા તો OH માઇનસ આપેલું છે, અહીંયા H plus આપેલું હોવું જોઈએ ને, પણ આપેલું શું છે OH માઇનસ. એનો મતલબ એ થયું કે એનોડના હાઇડ્રોજનના H plus નું concentration નથી, એટલે હું અહીંયા લખીશ X molar. That's why I write down here X molar. Clear? At cathode, if you come at cathode, I have H plus concentration of cathode. See, so I write down here H plus. I have the concentration also 0.005 plus electron gives H2, which is half. Clear? This will cancel, this will also cancel. So H plus 0.005, which is cathode, H plus X molar, which is of anode, because at anode concentration of H plus they have not given, instead they have given OH minus concentration. Now I will write down the Nernst equation for this. So Nernst equation, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N. N is how much beta here? 1 only. Log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. Which H plus? Anodic portion H plus. Yes or no? Which is X molarity. By product by reactor. Reactor means which? Cathode. How much? 0.005. Clear? E naught cell I have to calculate. No, here first we calculate E naught cell. So E naught cell equal to E cathode minus E anode. C cathode hydrogen electrode 0, C anode, hydrogen electrode 0 volt. Clear? E cell how much? 0.53. E naught cell 0 minus 0.059 log to the base 10 concentration of H plus upon 0.005. Now how to solve this H plus, as this H plus is X molarity and they have not told to calculate pH. If they would have if they would have asked you to calculate pH, I would have brought that side 0.53 that side, then minus and plus, and finally I have derived minus log to the base 10 H plus and pH you have written. But it is not like the case. The case is they ask you to calculate Kw. Now see the logic. See better. Kw means concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. That is Kw. Are you agreeing? Now concentration of OH minus they have given of anodic portion, that is 0.002. But anodic portion H plus concentration they have not given, which is X molar. So let it be as it is. And let it be here Kw. So concentration of H plus I got, that is Kw by 0.002. This equation number 2 you put in equation number 1. So what I have done? I have taken Kw as H plus and OH minus. OH minus is an anodic part and H plus at anodic part is also unknown, but at anodic part OH minus is known, 0.002. So Kw equal to H plus into OH minus, ideal product of water. OH minus portion I know, that is 0.002, but anodic portion H plus I don't know, that is X molar, which I have taken it. So I have put as it is, and Kw. So I need H plus concentration, so I have made the equation, subject of equation as H plus. So I get the answer as Kw by 0.002. Now this equation number 2 I will put in equation number 1. So when I put the equation number 1, this whole equation will be converted into Kw, which will be only one unknown, and that what I have to find out in the question. That's it. Clear? So here what I will do, 0.53 put 2 in 1. So 0.53 minus 0.059 log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. So concentration of H plus is how much now? Kw divided by 0.002 divided by 0.005. Now I have to solve this. I will get the answer of Kw. How to solve? Say 0.53 equal to minus 0.059. So this 0.059 will be go in the division. So I will get as 0.53 minus divided by this whole minus, so divided by 0.059, 8.98 minus 8.9830, and remaining will be here log to the base 10 Kw, and this will also get minus multiplication 0.002 and 0.005. So 0.002 multiplied by 0.005. Answer is 0.401, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to power minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now minus 8.9830 log to the base 10 Kw minus log to the base 10 to power minus 5 minus 8.9830 equal to log to the base 10 Kw plus 5, because log 10 to the power minus 5 will go that side, minus plus log 10 by 5. This 5 will go that side, so log to the base 10 Kw equal to this minus plus 5 will go that side, so minus 8.9830 minus 5 minus 13.983. Okay, so therefore log to the base 10 Kw equal to minus nearly equal to minus 14, and log will go that side, it will go anti-log, that is 10 to power minus 14. So or I can add on Kw equal to 1 into 10 to power minus, because log will go that side, it will be anti-log, and anti-log of minus 14 10 to the power minus 14, because see, whenever you get exact number, so that will be 10 to the power form, but if it is in the point number aave to antilog gotu pade. When you come to the school, I will teach you in detail antilogs. Okay, so now there is an exact one number, pointless number, exact one numerical number, irrational number, exact એક number છે. ઓકે, પોઈન્ટ વાળો નંબર નથી, એમને એક નંબર છે, તો એનું એન્ટીલોગ શું થઈ જશે? 10 to the power. So Kw equal to antilog of minus 14, but minus 14 is the exact number, so 10 to the power minus 14. So this will be your answer. Kw equal to 10 to the power minus 14. 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. Clear? So write down this. Then we will go to the next problem. Right on. So next 2-3 questions we will solve, that is from certain competition book like Fingertip. Write down the question. The question says the standard reduction potential, the standard reduction potential of Cu plus 2 slash Cu is 0.34 volt. Clear? What will be the reduction potential at? What will be reduction potential at pH equal to 14, Ksp of CuOH twice is 10 to the power minus 90. This much they have given. They have given this much. Clear? Chalo. And one thing more beta, always the Kw answer will be 10 to the power minus 14. Okay, either somewhat like sometimes you will get the answer like this, 1.0 and 10 to the power minus 14, sometimes you will get 1 into 10 to the power minus 14, not a issue, but the final answer, that is the net answer, will be always 10 to the power minus 14. This can ask in the MCQ, but when you are solving the Kw problem, then you should get the answer 10 to the power minus 14 you should get. See, એની આગળ ભલે ને પછી 1.01 હોય કે ચાલે, પણ 10 to the power minus 14 આવવું જોઈએ, because it is a constant value, because you know concentration of H plus 10 to the power minus 7 molar and OH plus also 10 to the power minus 7, this 10 to the power minus 14 equilibrium chapter you decided, no, you have done this derivation. We'll see this. Here they have told the Ksp. Okay, so the standard, now see the question. This question actually is on page number 80, page 81, sorry, not 80, page 81, MTG. Okay, so standard reduction potential is 0.34 volt, matlab E0 Cu plus 2 slash Cu equal to 0.34 volt. pH 14 they have given, so beta pH equal to 14 means what? Minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. That's what the pH just now only I told you, no, equal to 14. Now I'll multiply minus both the sides, so log to the base 10 concentration of H plus equal to minus 14, so concentration of H plus and log will go that side, so 10 to the power minus 14. You got the log concentration of H plus 10 to the power minus 14. Chalo. Now they have given certain Ksp. So Ksp means what? The solubility product. So Ksp, how much they have given? 10 to the power minus 19. Minus 19. So Ksp means Cu plus 2. And you know OH minus C. CuOH twice means what? Cu plus 2 and OH minus. So I have to put here also 2. That's not to balance the charge. So when I put the moles, it will go in the power 10 to the power minus 90. Clear? So this also Ksp. Clear? Now they ask you to find what? Standard reduction. What will be the reduction potential of Cu plus 2? Matlab I have to find out ECU plus 2 slash Cu. This I have to find out. This they have given, certain conditions they have given. So I will use the Nernst equation only. Yes or no? Because I have to find out for this, no. So 2 electron gives reduction potential only they have told. So for this, this is the reduction potential of copper, and for this I have the Nernst equation. So E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 2 log to the base 10 concentration of product. Beta, product is solid, so let on 1 upon concentration of reactant Cu plus 2 concentration. Now E cell, how much they have given? 0. E cell I have to find out, because ECU plus 2 slash Cu only E cell. E naught cell, that is E0, how much? 0.34 minus 0.059 upon 2 log to the base 10. I have to calculate somehow Cu plus 2 concentration. So see here, H plus concentration I got, so I can from here I can write down Kw barabar 1, sorry 10 to the power minus 40. Kw means what? H plus into OH minus equal 10 to the power minus 40. H plus how much I got? 10 to the power minus 14 into OH minus barabar 10 to the power minus 14. So OH minus I got as 1, because 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 10 to the power minus 14 will be, answer will be 1. So here concentration of Cu plus 2 1 the whole square barabar 10 to the power minus 19. So concentration of Cu plus 2 equal to 10 to the power minus 19. 10 to the power minus 19. Just you have to solve this. So E Cu plus 2 slash Cu 0.34 minus 0.059 by 2 log to the base 10. Log A by B means log 1 minus log 10 to the power minus 19. (0.34 minus 0.059 by 2, 0 plus 19, because minus minus plus 19, no? Mathematical calculation now you can do. So 0 plus 19, it will be 19. So 19 into 0.059 divided by 2. So 0.34 minus 0.5605. So 0.34 minus 0.5605 minus 0.22 volt. Minus 0.22. Yes, this is the answer. Minus 0.22 volt. In this way to calculate this. They ask you to calculate Ksp. So why they have given the Ksp? Because they have given to twist. pH they have given, and here they have given OH twice. So from pH you can calculate H plus. Yes, from H plus you can calculate OH minus, and that OH minus will put here, so you will get Cu plus 2, and you get the concentration of Cu plus 2, and then they ask you to find out the reduction potential of copper. So when you write down the reduction reaction for copper, this will be the reaction. For this you write down the Nernst equation, so just you have to put the concentration of Cu plus 2, that's it, nothing else. It seems to be tough, but it's easy. Someone has asked me, so I am doing this. Clear? So I will see the next question, similar type of a question. Write down this. Written. Now I will do similar type of this question. What will be the reduction potential for the half cell reaction? Done. What will be the reduction potential? The next question they ask, it is what will be the reduction potential? Same page number. What will be the reduction potential for half cell reaction at 298 Kelvin? Ag, concentration of Ag plus they have given, equal to 0.1 molar, and E0 cell equal to 0.8 volt. So for reduction potential for Ag plus, no, so Ag plus plus electron will be Ag. So E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 1 log to the base 10 concentration of product, that is 1 upon concentration of reactant Ag plus. Clear? So E cell equal to 0.8 minus 0.059 log to the base 10, 1 upon 0.1. 0.8 minus 0.059 log 1 minus log 0.1. 0.8 minus 0.059, 0 minus log 0.1 means what beta? See, log 0.1 log 10 to power minus 1 which is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1. So 0.8 minus 0.059, 0 plus 1, that is only 1. So 0.8 minus 0.059, 0 plus 1, 1 into 0.059, 0.059. So 0.8 minus 0.059, 0.741 volt. 0.741 volt, correct answer. So that is the answer. Let me see. 32, yes, 0.71 volt. This is also 32 question, page number 81. Clear? So in this way you have to solve the certain problems. I hope you understood. If not, you can comment me. Thank you.